Hey young artists, so I'm back with another tutorial. So this is for my abstract figure drawing students, and so I'm pretty happy about this next assignment. So this is project 4. This is our last assignment, and this is expressive portrait. So expressive portrait is quite interesting because I have done an abstract portrait before. I wasn't a fan of it, but I decided to do it a second time, and I'm so happy that I like the end product of this one. So let's talk about this assignment. So expressive portrait, and for my students, they can choose non-objective or abstract art. The theme, once again, is expressive portrait. This is more so the dominant theme. They can have their own theme attached to this. So it is a student's choice of elements of art and principles of design. I do believe this is the actual thumbnail that I chose. And if I think about my elements, it's mainly shapes, and also I use the lines. So I know right now it's just more so a scribble of shapes, but I also use lines as well. Principle of design is a diagonal composition, so we can say that it's asymmetrical. When it comes to the color schemes, I wanted to choose my own colors, but I noticed once I picked out the colors that it fell under double complementary. So I was pretty happy with that. Materials are student's choice, so I decided to use new pastels. When I did this actual thumbnail, I was just kind of like, yeah, it looks very much like I could do charcoal or I could do pastels, and I think it would make sense. So, expressive portrait, I really, really wanted to not fall victim to and I'm saying victim because I am, if anyone know me, I'm a realist artist, so I do my best to get realism when it comes to my portraits. And I was doing my best to be very, very expressive with this portrait, and also I was doing my best to, not to get too caught up in details, and be very expressive with my colors to the best of my ability. So I did my best to use the side of my pencil for this thumbnail, and this is the end product that I got to. This is the thumbnail that I absolutely love. This one I wasn't too much a fan of. This one is quite cute, but I noticed that, the face is a little weird. And that's just me just like wanting to move things around. So other than that, not pretty bad for my paper format and for the idea, but I really, really love this. So when it comes to project 4, this is my thumbnails. So I decided to do, once again, I wanted to pick and choose what kind of color combination that I wanted to use. I ended up going with this one because I absolutely love the colors together. And once again, I realized that it was double complementary. I have yellow and also purple, and then I also have blue, and I also have orange. This is, if you think about browns is pulled to the center of the color wheel, so they're really just a really dark orange. These are some blues that are on the side as well. So double complementary is what I pretty much use. My students, as you guys know, they have a handout that they get, kind of just going over expressive portraits, and then some examples to kind of help with a little bit of inspiration. So that's what I have here for my examples for my students in my handout that's there. So when it comes to materials, once again, I decided to use new pastels. So this is my new pastel set that I'm using. It's just a 24 pack. As well as I used the Kensington Metont Velvet. So this is more of a sanded paper. It's a really, really beautiful surface. If you could get your hands on a pad of this, definitely do it. It's amazing. I'm a fan of pastel matte. So it's pretty similar to pastel matte to me, but it's a difference. You can feel a difference between the two. But I just wanted to talk a little bit about my materials, the direction that I am going down. And once again, this is project number 4, Expressive Portrait. So if anybody is following along, you kind of have an idea of what we are doing for project 4. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next clip, which is the demo. Bye, guys.